Let's take a look at one more tool called Form Editor. In the Form Editor, you can select screenshots to move between forms. A single screenshot reflects a single event, that is to say, a user action. So when you move screenshots, you also move the corresponding event to another form. The information hierarchy can be described as follows. On the top level, you can see the names of the applications involved. Then by expanding the application entries, you can see all forms that were completed in this application in all uploaded logs. You can select any form and see its screenshots which reflect events, that is to say, all the user's actions. For example, on our screen, we now select the Excel application. All forms appear on the screen with numbers that reflect the number of involved events, aka screenshots. We select the Microsoft Excel form and 3 views appear which show 3 similar forms. Each of these forms contain 3 screenshots. You can select any screenshot or multiple screenshots. Then you can click on Find Similar and see if there are similar screenshots, and if so, how many. The number of found similar screenshots is depicted here. The number of selected screenshots is depicted here. Note that Merging Forms options exists here as well. You can select the necessary forms, then merge them. This results in the depiction of these forms as one form with the name that you provide. Also, you can ignore both application and specific form or forms. Then, you will not see ignored applications or ignored forms in the task definition editor. With or without performing these checks or edits, you can select required screenshots and move them to another form or create a new form. Note that you can move screenshots only to forms within a similar application. So, while defining tasks, if you find events that should belong to another form, you can open this form editor and complete the necessary transfers.